Brush by fairy tale, itsy bitsy diamond, big fat hurricane, yellow belly giving news. Well, shortcuts can slow you down, and in the end we're bound to rebound off of you. We'll dust off your thinking caps, solar powered plastic plants, pretty pictures of things we ate. We're only what we hate, but in the long run we have found silent films are full of sound, inaudibly free. Slow down, everyone, you're moving too fast. Frames can't catch you when you're moving like that. Inaudible melodies of narration, no strategies, unobtrusive tones help to notice nothing but the zone of visual relevancy. Frame lines tell me what to see, chopping like an axle made